Good morning, Year 3. Welcome back. Okay, so yesterday I left you with a challenge of counting on in ones, tens and hundreds. So let's see how you get on. Our first number started 232. Then we were adding 1 to it. So we had 233. Then we added another one, 234. If we add another one more would be 235. Then we're going to add one more. One more is 236. 236. One more, 237. So hopefully your sequence looks just like that. Okay, let's go on to our next number. So this time we have 429. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, but this time we're counting up in tens. So each time the digits are going to go up in tens. One more lot of tens. So we have 429. Another 10 would be 439. 3 lots of tens. Another 10 makes it 4 lots of tens. So we have 449. Another 10 makes it 5 lots of tens, so 459. Another 10 would make it 6 lots of tens, so we have 469. Another 10 makes it 7 lots of tens, so 479. I hope you're doing well so far. Let's go on to the hundreds. Now we started with 158. That means 100, 5 tens, and then 8 ones. Okay, I have 158. This time the hundreds are going to change. We're going to add one more 100 each time. So 158, 258, 358. So our next number is 458. Then I'm going to add one more 100. So my next 100 then is, whoopsie, 558. 558. And last but not least, the one that was trying to go on there a minute ago, that would make it 658. Well done if you got those ones right. I hope you tried it with some other numbers as well to see if you can count on in ones, tens and hundreds. You might see if you can count back in ones, tens and hundreds as well. Okay, now let's look at a really easy activity that you can do at home. We can start to look at numbers and compare them. If you make yourself some cards just by using maybe a piece of scrap paper, cut them up to make yourself some little cards, and then you can choose some of these digits to make a 3-digit number. So you can choose any of them at random. I'm choosing that one. Okay, I have a 7. And I'm going to choose this one. I have a 5. And I'm going to choose that one. I'm going to choose an 8. So I'm going to leave them in those places. So I've made myself 758. I'm then going to make myself some other cards with a different number, different colour rather, for the numbers. And then I'm going to pull myself some other numbers. Ooh, I've got 7 again. And I have, 6. And I have 1. Okay, I'm going to leave them in that order. So I've made myself 758 and I've made myself 761. Now if I leave them in that arrangement, I have to decide which number is the greater number, which one's the smaller number. So I'd say that if I keep it as this sequence, 758 is smaller than 761, or 758 is less than 761. I can then make myself some more numbers and do it in the same way. So this is a really simple activity that you can do at home, and you can practice your greater than and less than symbols. Now another really easy activity that we can do with the same cards is we can practice ordering numbers. So again, you can make yourself some 3-digit numbers. So I've got an 8, a 5 and a 2. Now I might want to leave them in those places, Or I might want to switch them around. If I put them this way, I'd have 582. Or I might want to switch them and maybe make myself 825. It's up to you how you arrange them when you pull them. I'm then going to make myself another one. And I'm going to lay them down in the place that I want them this time. So I'm going to put that one there, and that one there. Okay, so far I've got 825 and 143. And I'm now going to go to my other deck of cards. And I'm going to put them down in this position. I'm taking them out of the pack in random order. Okay. And this one. So you can make yourself quite a few numbers. I'm going to leave it just for 3 for the moment. So I've made myself 825, 143, 681. And I'm going to decide to order them from greatest to smallest or highest to lowest. So I would need to leave 825 at the top, but obviously I would need to switch these two around. So these are some simple games that you can play, a really good test, a good challenge for yourself. You can work on doing greater than and less than. You can work on ordering numbers from the lowest to the highest or the smallest to the greatest. And set yourself some challenges. Enjoy using your number cards. We can use them a lot over the next week or so. So make them, have a go, see how you get on. Keep me posted. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. See you later. Bye.